Animals, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Haley Adams, and if you like all things cute and also spooky, I'm calling Gizmo cute, not myself, I suggest you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're a returning victim, welcome back to Thirsty Wednesday. We're doing another episode of Horror Hooch. I know it's been a minute. Have you missed it? Don't tell me if you didn't. On today's episode, we are making a drink I am calling the Gizmo, if you couldn't figure that out by now. It's a Gremlins-inspired drink. Gremlins is one of my favorite movies, and it just had its 40th birthday anniversary. I like to say birthday, and it shares that day with Ghostbusters, so happy birthday to Ghostbusters as well. Ooh, a Slimer drink may happen in the future, but for today, let's get into the Gizmo. So I have my glass chillin'. I have a mini fridge right here, some really fancy. So take a rocks glass, put rocks in it. By rocks, I mean ice. Did I just smear lipstick across my whole face? Okay, the other gremlins are saying no, so we're gonna keep going. So what you're gonna do is you are going to take a caramel flavored whiskey. I'm using this Canadian one. It's called Black Velvet. Sounds like a sexy man. And you're gonna get your ounce. I'm sorry. You're gonna get your ounce and you're gonna fill it. Do not get any on Gizmo though. Don't do it. What we do in the shadows is kind of ruin the name Gizmo, because I feel like I'm just talking about Guillermo, but I'm actually talking about Gizmo. The live studio audience is malfunctioning and eating their own tails. That's the kind of magic you get here on my channel. Alright, I need that SpongeBob title card like 10 hours later. We are finally pouring this shot into our glass. You're going to do that. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to make your counter super sticky. So you're going to flip that over, and we are going to put in the tiniest amount of you can't hear me over the clanging bottles, of coffee flavored vodka. So I'm not even going to fill the little half ounce up all the way, because I just want a smidge. I don't want it to be too overpowering. And you're going to dump that in there. That's it as far as booze goes, and you know the drill, yada yada, drink responsibly, don't be underage. Hopefully you get it. What we're going to do next is we are going to top that off with root beer. I just have A&W, use whatever root beer you like. Do you guys know what the best root beer is? Do you have Culver's by you? If you don't, I'm sorry, they have the best root beer. It's certified bussin' is what it is. I know I shouldn't say that. Then we're going to give that a stir. But we're not done yet. No. We are going to now top this off with some whipped cream, because I feel like the gremlins really appreciate whipped cream. I missed an opportunity. I should have made it look like Gizmo's ears. Hold on. Oh! I did it. It's sagging, but I did. Now, if you want to know why I chose the flavors I did for this one, I wanted brown. Because I wanted it to look like Gizmo with the brown and the white. So I was like, yeah, root beer. And then I did caramel because, Gizmo is so sweet. And then the coffee because the other Mogwai, the gremlins, they be getting hopped up. My favorite part in that movie is when all the naughty ones go to the movie theater and they're all watching Snow White and they, ayo. I love that shit. I also love when they go to that mean lady's house and they make her acorn stair lift go crazy, and they're saying her last name going tigo tigo. That shit's hilarious to me. Anyway, let's taste the drink. Let's listen. It's okay. It's before midnight. When does it stop being after midnight? That's what I want to know. because like it's always after midnight until it's like the minute. You know, I don't do math. That's too close to math. It's hurting my brain. That does it for this episode of Horror Hooch. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you try this recipe, if you like it, please let me know down in the comments below. Give me suggestions for other movies you would like to see turned into cocktails or characters you would like to see turned into cocktails, and I will do my best because, you know, the brain only has so much capacity for cocktail ideas, you know. Just your ghoul needs help. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Keep an eye out this weekend for another episode of Horror Chats. I got a fantastic one coming at ya, and I will be seeing you guys in your dreams. Good night. We're gonna go to the movies. You wanna go watch Snow White? We're gonna go watch Snow White. Okay, bye.